Hey, here is another immediate action to break no more, and that's a very good one if you feel fearful about not being able to assert your value in your life, or if you don't feel prepared enough, or if you feel paranoid about yourself, as in thinking that you wouldn't be able, that you don't have the capacity to do it, that is going to be expressed in a bad way, or so on, blah, blah, blah. What you can do to avoid this is to express your paranoia and your fears directly on paper with this exercise. And this is the scripting, the act of scripting your nose to your no, to increase your value based boundary and to be able to anticipate some failure in asserting your boundary every single day, right? Because we're asked to compromise a lot, right? So what you do here is you think of something you need to say no to, or you anticipate a scenario where you will have to say no to inserting your value, right? This is how you express your fear right here and be able to deal with it, at least on paper or in your head right now. Then you write down the refusal, starting with your value. And you can say, for example, you can write, for example, to honor my value of, let's say, family, I can't take that project. But instead, I'm going to do that. Like, there are some videos about boundary setting. You can do this around the video, with the video around boundary setting. There are several frameworks that are provided to you. I'm gonna do best to put it in the first comment so that you have access to it directly in the DS manner possible. There is, I created something, a book as well, to set boundaries. Perhaps I need to put it online. I don't know where it is. So this pre-planning reduces the in moment of cognitive load and anxiety of setting a boundary. It makes sure that you are far more likely to be successful at asserting your boundaries. Keep this, make it a routine. Every time you feel fearful, make it a routine and say why people would say no and anticipate your answer. Much love.